this is a full solid, that means we don't have a base. So all what we have is the following. We're going to have pi RL, and in the equation we used to have pi r squared, but we're not going to have that anymore. We're going to have pi RL, and because we've got two cones, we're going to times it by 2. So my r is going to be 8, my length still 22. So I'm going to plug it into the equation. 2 brackets pi times r, which is 8, times L, which is 32. I can put into my calculator. So I have 2 open brackets pi times 8 is 35, close brackets, and give me 560 pi 500 centimeters squared. Also can also give me the other answer, which is 1759. We can just round up to 1759. Write the decimal point below just in case. I think we lost the calculator. So centimeters squared. It's always a good practice to write it into 2 decimal places. So make sure 2 decimal places comes to your exam. Yeah, so these are the 2 answers. But make sure you write, if you write into decimal places, make sure you have 2 decimal places.